Hey guys, I'm absolutely excited to show you tonight's new mold. It is a skull tea light holder, but quickly first look what's happening in the background. It is just staticking, magnetizing, I don't know what's going on, but the chameleon flakes are just flying onto the silicone mold, and I just thought that was really cool because I've never seen that actually happen before. We just needed some slow motion action there. So I am dry painting the chameleon flakes onto the inside of the silicone mold. This is a super easy technique. I just got bored super quickly of 3 dabs of moving the paintbrush in and just tipped the whole pot in because it takes up a fair bit of pigment to do this process, to cover the mold really thoroughly, and it is quite a big mold. So once you're done, you just want to tap out the excess or blow it out, but be wearing a mask please too, because you don't want to breathe in that mica dust. Is not good for your lungs. So this resin I'm using is a polyurethane resin. It is a fast cure resin, and I got it from Dom Creek Mold Supplies. Actually, they gifted it to me, which is amazing. Thank you so much. Doing a little cheat, I'm popping the bubbles out with a torch before I mix it, because I shook those bottles up. There was a bit of bubbles that came out just from pouring. So this is super thin. That extra hand that you saw there quickly was my assistant. I was just showing her a new kind of resin and a new technique, and I actually just wanted to show her how fast this resin actually cures. So by the time I was pouring that last little one, it was really hot in my hand and curing already. So it has a 2.5 minute pot life, and you can demold it after 10 minutes. Okay, to clean your silicone mold, you want to use tape. That works really well, and look, the mold looks brand new again. Here is the demolding. Yeah, look, hardly any bubbles, no chambers or anything were used. There was the 2 tiny little bubbles at the end underneath, but I love this effect, absolutely love it. It's perfect for this mold. Good choice, Sazi, as my dad would say. I love the color shift, and no, it doesn't come off when you rub it really hard. Trying to rub it as hard as I can with my thumb there, as long as you blow out or tap out all of the excess. Don't breathe it in. Here is what it looks like. I love that purple to green to yellow to blue to pink, all the colors in there. And this is the resin master. So I have a glossy top where the candle fits in, or it actually holds a large sphere or crystal ball really well. This mold would make excellent kind of like succulent headpiece, kind of creative crystals, like fairy garden moss, that's what I'm visioning if I had time to make another piece. And here is the silicone mold. You will get a mint one if you order it. So yeah, thanks for watching my video, and hope you liked it and learned something. I just watched that video back after editing, and I realized that I didn't even show you the other pieces that I made. I felt like I was leaving you hanging, so I had to show these as well. This is a little goddess pendant size. That is something new I'm just working on. And here is some really cute little molds from Rabin Curtimo. If you haven't heard of him, what world are you living in? He hand sculpts all of his designs. They are amazing, they're quality. I actually won these in a giveaway, so shout out to Rabin. Thank you so much.